Prepositions: in versus at. In. In is used when we are talking about large and important places like cities, countries, continents, etc. Cities, countries, and continents are all huge and they're important, like significant places. So we use in, like I live in Dhaka. Dhaka is the name of a city. My family lives in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a country. Bangladesh is in Asia. Asia is a continent. So here is a country and here is a continent. The continent is bigger than the country, of course. That's why we are using in. So Bangladesh is in Asia. At. At is used when we are talking about relatively smaller places, like at home, at school, at the market, within larger places, like in a city. So our home, our school, and the markets are everything in a city, right? So we use at. Like I'm at school, I'm at my friend's house, I'm at Nasrul Isles, I'm at Bushindra City. Because these are all small places within a large city. Now let's make a sentence using in and at all together. So, I live in Dhaka City at my home. Dhaka City is big, so we're using in, and we're using at for my home, which is smaller than the city we're living in. So, I live in Dhaka City at my home. Let's recap a bit. We use in when it's large and important places like cities, countries, and continents. So I live in Dhaka, I live in Bangladesh, I live in Asia, or Bangladesh is in Asia. We use at when it's relatively small place. So we can say, my friend is at school, I'm at school, I'm at my friend's house. I'm at Nasrul Isles. I'm at office. I'm at the airport. I'm at the bus station. I'm at Bush University. Altogether, the sentence is I live in Dhaka City at my home.